to me, it's more like fake. Cause once it goes, we hard to relate. One day I'ma hold you tight, and then turn and treat you right. But I just hope they forever mine. It's like my music, like my rhymes. Like the birds in the sky, and how you and I can close eye to eye, like how your lips touch mine. Sweat and feel like paradise. Picture you all dressed in white. Picture you all love and blind. So these are the reasons why. Everybody, come on. Baby, you're my girlfriend. You're my star. You shine bright every day when I'm in the dark. You're childish. You're my baby. I don't know how I would live life without you. Yeah, Johnny, you're my world. You're my angel. You're my girl. You're my baby. You're my boo. I work gone just for you. Yeah, Johnny, you're my world. You're my angel. You're my girl. You're my baby. You're my boo. I work gone just for you. Yeah, Johnny, baby, you're my boo. I don't know how I would live life without you. Baby, you're my girlfriend. You're my star. You shine bright every night when I'm in the dark. Yeah, Johnny, baby, you're my boo. I don't know how I would live life without you. Yeah, Johnny, baby, you're my boo. I don't know how I would live life without you. Baby, you're my girlfriend. You're my star. You shine bright every night when I'm in the dark. Yeah, Johnny, baby, you're my boo. I don't know how I would live life without you. Coming back, baby.
Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. No, I came down the ways and they've forgiven my mistakes. I'm
Coming home,
coming home.
place where I belong.
Tell the world I'm coming.
Yeah. No more being alone. Yeah. Cause I'm coming back home. The place where I belong. I feel so strong. Hey. Things that this hurting I can't do. Every feels me that I feel too. I feel you. Yeah. I feel you. This is me, my story I'm trying to tell. If I'm faking a scheme to tell me who's real. I've been through the struggles. I've been through the troubles. If music's my hustle, then I did complete the puzzle. I lived long enough to experience pain. And if you ever lost someone, then you know what I'm saying. But no matter what, cause life will always be tough. You're gonna have days that you feel like giving up. But you know what they say, it's just a will, it's a way. So put your hands together, homie, and let's play. I can't say I've been through the darkest place, but what I could say is I have seen brighter days. And now I'm packing up and I'm coming back home. It's been so long that I miss my bed in my room. The place where I belong, the place where I call home. Fire in the city, baby, that's where I'm from. Yeah.
Wash away all the pain of yesterday. No one came down the ways and they're forgiving my mistakes. I'm coming home, baby.
Check this out. But these are long, so I just began to die. But the one thing that will never die is my grind. Yeah, you're trying to stop me cause they mad that I shine. And forget about the past cause it will never rewind. Music is music, I just do what I do best. I just kill one verse and then I'm on to the next. See, I'm making moves, but I'm swaying my dudes. And you know me in the past, you would say I changed still. Being a good person is who I'm trying to become. So if you're trying to follow, then you're welcome. See, being a rapper was never a part of me until I found